Presiden negara India Draupadi Murmu mentakasngi kala penkup dekat khusnam Padma Shri ye Kong Silbi Passah hakathop sandur nam Meghalaya haka civil investiture ceremony berlangsung hanang ba Delhi mentakasngi ye Kong Silbi Passah ide besong bahasa po are samthia Shillong but ide ino kai Hindi berlangsung thai ide research person jangka Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA but ka DERT ni Directorate of Education Research and Training but ilong sandur rupa ponam Ajing rapru ya ke SCERT, DERT. Hai ke beri bagi cik aji kai kini kai hai ke kam sandur, kam acting, kam shot but kam ruai. Kedi tu di kalong kam socially useful productive work lani ke SUPW but ke pot ke tem ke dan ru ke Institute of Khasi Jantia Folk Song but ke traditional musical instrument. Lakai Kong Silbi Passah agar terik ulber kenais pasan puar ba ila pendap ya bachelor in Hindi pada simti ya kam komunikasi Hindi agak Khasi Jantia National Government Primary School mau Shillong house name saya kena sebab prapu R mungkin tiwa ketindi ya cemetaru agak radio program Hindi lesson pada penmi dekat all in radio Shillong
Silbi Passah कला लोकगीत सिल्बी पासा कला लोकगीत
I just got back from Rashtrapati Bhavan where I witnessed the distribution of the Padma Awards by the Honorable President of India, and among the recipients was our very own citizen of our state, Kong Silbi Passah. And I take this opportunity to really congratulate her for all the work and the contributions that she has given in the past many years, and also for making all of us proud. And not only her, but all the other recipients who received the award, I would like to congratulate all of them. It was a wonderful moment to see the stories, hear the stories unfold about the different contributions that the individuals have made, some from very, very humble background and being recognized at the highest level. Was really in a way a very solemn occasion in the program, and I felt very blessed to be part of it. And it was wonderful to have, as I said, our own Kong Silbi Passah to receive this award. So I once again thank the Government of India. I thank the Honorable President for giving the award, and congratulate Kong Silbi Passah as well as the other recipients of the Padma Awards for making all of us proud. Congratulations and wish you all the very best.